In order to get a duplicate of your landing page, just come here, click and enter your landing page. From top menu, you will see export and import. First, we need to export from this file, this design. Let's go to export, press export, and the file will be downloaded and saved on your computer. Now the next step is going to back and create a new page. One of them, it doesn't matter, just this one, and simply press import, click import, and from here just drag and drop the file. You see, done. And then you can easily change the name from here, test, and from here again, test. Just you can give color. You can use Ctrl S to save, or from here you can press save button.